In this video, we're going to take a look at my Xcelerate review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my Xcelerate review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com, and coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. The first thing I need you to do is to look in the video description. Click that first link. That's going to take you to my bonus page here. And once you get on my bonus page, you scroll down till you find the buttons that say click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So once you click that, that's going to open in a new window and take you to the sales page where you can check out everything on here and then go ahead and check out, okay? So once you click that green button, it will take you to the sales page so you can check out. But the other thing that it's going to do is lock in the bonuses that I have for you in the back end of Warrior Plus, okay? And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to find those bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus before the end of this video. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about what Xcelerate is before we jump into the sales page. So Xcelerate is based upon using Facebook, okay? So if you're using Facebook right now, that's going to be a great position for you. If not, you can always sign up to Facebook and create an account. But what you're going to be doing is using your profile to build you as an authority figure within whatever niche you're going to choose. And you're going to be posting valuable content. Your visitors are going to see this. They're going to engage with it. And the more you post, the more they're going to want to learn more about it. So once they do that, they're going to start leaving comments, and you tell them go ahead and send you a personal message or whatnot. And then what's going to happen is you can give them the affiliate links to that product that they need help with the most, instantly earning you some commissions. You can also use this method, and this is what it's geared towards, is using it for high ticket sales for $1,000 or more. So that's going to really help you as well. Okay, so it's a really cool training. And he's going to show you how to do all of that inside of the training as well. So let's go ahead now and get on to the sales page. Okay, so it says urgent warning, the price is increasing every 60 minutes. Come back later and you will pay more. My Xcelerate system generated me 1,000 plus days without spending a dime. So yes, it's free traffic. It's on Facebook. So go ahead, watch the video there if you want to. You can go ahead and read some of these testimonials here. Okay, let's read over these benefits. Watch how we bank in 1,000 commissions without selling, and so can you. So without selling, without paid ads, without websites, without being on camera. A lot of people don't like to be on camera. Without an email list, without no hassles. Free traffic daily. Yes, we all know Facebook generates that. High ticket offers, 100% proven from a mobile phone. Yes, once you set this up on a desktop, laptop, tablet, PC, or whatever, once those people engage with you and send you messages, you're going to be able to answer those from anywhere from your mobile phone. So pretty cool. Effortlessly start and life-changing income. All right, so go ahead, guys, read everything on the page. Make sure you understand everything here. Some screenshot earnings. Okay, let's see what we got here. So step 1, log into the training modules and complete the training videos. Step 2, tap into the free traffic source and get ready to attract over 2.74 billion potential buyers. Step 3, sell high-ticket products and start earning big commissions. All right, that's the simple 3-step system here. Let's see what they have for extra bonuses. You have the clones done for you product funnel. It's 997 bonus there. 2K in 20 minutes with Facebook groups. 997 bonus there. Set up your own super affiliate campaign. 747. All right, so total value of the extra bonuses you're going to be getting is $2,741, and you get all this for $9.97 if you pick this product up today. Okay, so here is your 30-day money-back guarantee right here, and some more testimonial videos, some Q&As at the bottom, and that's going to be about it. And there you go, guys. That's the sales page. Really good training. I went through every video myself so I could tell you from experience that it is good. And I know this stuff works because I used it myself before on one of my other profiles. So you can make good commissions using these methods, guys, but you have to take action and do it. So just stay consistent. It takes a little while, okay? But stay consistent and you're gonna see some affiliate commissions come in using this method. All right, so now let's go ahead and check out the members area. Okay, so up here on the top, you have your support link and log out link and all of the upsells if you wanted to pick those up if you hadn't when you went through the funnel. So let's check out the videos. You got a welcome video here. You can check out Jake's Facebook page here. Here is his next gen affiliate group if you want to sign up for that, and his YouTube channel if you want to subscribe to that. So here's some of the videos that you're going to be learning. Case study here, 10K in 22 days. You got the overview video right here. It's going to show you the overview of how everything works. Getting set up right here. You're going to optimize your profile. It's going to show you how to improve your images. Okay, you're going to select a product. All right, you want to find a good product to promote that's going to bring in some commissions. You definitely don't want to choose something that's not going to bring in good commissions. So he's going to talk about that in this video here. Okay, finding inspiration video here. Going through his posts. So he's going to take you inside of his Facebook page and profile and show you what he's doing inside there. Okay, in the content creation, he's going to show you a live post. So he's going to actually do a post to show you how to do it, where he gets his information from to post and all of that cool stuff. Okay, this video is going to be about finding targeted traffic, and in the next video is going to show you some more traffic stuff, which is a traffic bonus right here. And then you have traffic bonus using TikTok. So he's going to show you that, and interacting with your prospects, okay, the sales process. So he's going to show you the right way to do this so that you don't look like a salesman. Basically, you're going to be actually helping these people, giving them what they're asking for, and you're going to be making sales in the process. So as you can see, starting conversation. So it's all, you have to do this, guys, a certain way or it's not going to work. So follow what Jake teaches in here. Shows you how to close the sale here, and here's a challenge that he has for you, and then the conclusion video. And you can access your bonuses down here. Okay, and here are the videos if you wanted to learn a little bit more about the upgrades. It tells you what the upgrade is and the video about the upgrade, so you can check that out as well. So pretty cool members area here. All right, so that's the members area, guys. Like I said, it's a really good training and you're gonna learn a lot. If you implement this, you're gonna make money with this, but you have to be consistent and just do exactly what the training shows you to do. All right, so let's go ahead now and check out my bonuses. So don't worry about this little yellow bar right here, guys. It says the special bonus page comes out at 11:59 Eastern on Saturday, April 17th. Don't worry about that. So I'm late on this review video because it launched April 12th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? And this is when it's going to end. So what happened is we just launched our own product called Coursify, which is 24 done-for-you courses bundled together inside a membership site that you can own and sell those courses as your own. So if you're interested in learning more about our product, I'll leave the link up here. All right, so go ahead and check that out. But don't worry about this page coming down. It's not going to come down. And if you scroll down further on this bonus page here, you're also going to see some timers. Don't worry about the timers. When you click this link and you go to the checkout page and check out, my bonuses will be there for you. Since I'm late on this, I didn't want to take this down or make this real countdown timer. Okay, so I changed it from a regular countdown timer to an evergreen timer just for you guys. All right. Okay, before we go into the bonuses, let's talk about the prices and upsells since I have these on the bonus page already. So the front end is Xcelerate and it's at $9.97. Okay, we already talked about that. Upgrade number 1 right here is the accelerator. This is for $27. So you're going to be able to tap into Jake's secret conversion system, okay? So he's going to set you up and show you how he's using the landing page and whatnot to get extra free traffic and how you can get paid recurring income. Upgrade number 2 is done for you campaigns. This is $47 with a 37 down sale. So you're going to be able to steal his 20 done for you campaigns that he's personally created for you to use, okay? All you do is copy and paste. Upgrade number 3 is the done for you funnel. This is for $97 with a 67 down sale. So basically, you're going to be able to import a done-for-you funnel personally made by Jake and place it in your profile to build your list and earn commissions daily. So pretty cool there. Upgrade number 4 is the license right to Xcelerate. So you could sell it as your own, earn 100% of the commissions through the whole funnel. Okay, and this is for $97 with a 67 down sale. And finally, upgrade number 5 is one-on-one coaching. So this is for $197 with a $97 down sale. Alright, so let's go ahead now and take a look at my bonuses. So bonus number 1, you're going to get my copywriting sequence, okay? You're going to learn the right order that you should write copy and how it can help you make more sales. Bonus number 2 is secret hacks. So this is video training on some awesome hacks to increase your online commissions. Really cool training in here. Bonus number 3 is spreading goodwill system. So this is video training on a system that you can use to 10x your list building literally overnight. So another cool training. Bonus number 4 is how to make money podcasting. So this is my video training on how you can start earning some easy income online doing podcasting. I show you all about that in the training here. And finally, bonus number 5 is color psychology and marketing. So you're going to learn how to decode colors and use them to your advantage when it comes to marketing. So really cool training here, something that you should know about if you're doing any kind of selling online. Okay, so that's my 5 bonuses that you're going to get as soon as you click these green buttons to lock in your copy of these bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus. All right, so now let me show you how to find these bonuses right quick. I scroll down a little bit more on the page here. You're going to see these images here. It shows you the steps to find your bonuses. So step number 1, you're going to log into your Warrior Plus account. Next to your name, you're going to click on a little drop down tab. It's going to see a little drop down menu here. You're going to choose purchase history. It's going to take you to the next page. You're going to look for Xcelerate, okay? And you click on that link. And that's going to take you to step 3 where you can see the green button to access your purchase and the blue button is to access the affiliate bonuses, which would be all my bonuses locked in for you inside of Warrior Plus. Okay, so that's how you find the bonuses. Okay, if you want some free training, guys, check in my video description. It's going to look like this. And you're also going to see right under there some advanced training and webinar if you want to choose that as well. So that's going to wrap up my Xcelerate review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rocksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com and Coin, the Rockstar video marketer. And guys, happy marketing.